Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today we got a fun one for you guys. We're gonna do an Ethereum mining. So yes, not gonna be DC today. This is gonna be Ethereum mining, not Ethereum Classic. And for that we're gonna use the funny miners. We're not gonna use that different. We're gonna use today a different miner on this one. Got some different. Doing this because something on behind. So without further ado, we're just gonna start it with normal procedure. Is how to download your program without disable your antivirus. I will try to keep doing this every video online, so anytime you go seeing and so you guys watching a different video, you just got it over here and you get every single one video. That's the goal of each video I'm doing it, and I want everybody to get everything on the same video. Alright, so we're gonna minimize this, and like normally we go to the corner on the bottom section, and we're looking for antivirus right here. We double click and we open this window. The second thing we just go open on antivirus, and we're gonna scroll all the way down to the manual protection, right here, video threat and protection setting, and we click on it. We're gonna get all these right here. A lot of people gonna tell you to disable all these. You don't have to disable all these. We're just gonna go to remove exclusion, and right here is what we're gonna do. All the three we need to be done. First of all is we're gonna add the download folder. It can be anyone you're using it to download your program. You just go over here to folder, and what we're gonna do is we're gonna look for this one right here. Depend which folder you're using it to download your product, that's what you're gonna use it to do everything. Now you just click on download, and everything you download right here is gonna be accept. So you just click select folder, and that's it. Now after you done that, you maybe want to create a folder for your download program, and that's the next folder we're gonna adding on into the antivirus. So that way anytime you got download any program, you just download directly to the download. It's not gonna be an issue, and then you just transfer it to that folder, and the rest of the computer is gonna still own the protection of the Microsoft antivirus, whatever antivirus you use, and you don't have to worry about anybody's gonna screw into your computer and doing something bad. Now, for example, I got this one called miner number one. That's the one I'm using it. I click on this, click select, and that's what you need to do, and you're ready to go. That's gonna be after you set all your folder, specific folder for your miners. Alright, now we close all these, and what we're gonna do is I gotta direct cross up to the location of the folder I got. We're gonna go to we're gonna open this pro with this. That's what I got on my folder. But first of all, guys, you gotta go to your download section. You're gonna go to funnymining.org. You click on download, and it's gonna allow you to download the program. Now you don't need to get it from right here. I will recommend you guys to get it from download. Let me see, for Bitcoin Talk. Let's see if we can find Bitcoin Talk, because that's really the official place where they got it in. And let's see if we got in GitHub now. No, that's not on mine. Look like they created this website. That's the only one I can find so far. That's org. You can download that one. It should be nice. I get this one. That's the one we're gonna use, and we get it from them. And everything we need is right here. All tutorial you need for them is right here. I think this is one of the best sessions. Sorry, I'll be fine about this. Now with the thing is right here, you can change it. This is something this is for the following command you need. This is how you do all your stuff, and you can read through all this. It'll be helping you out a lot. Now after you get your program download, exactly what we did, we're gonna go to our download folder. You gotta see it right here, and we're gonna copy this boy from right here, and we're gonna go to miner number one right here, and we're gonna paste the program right here. Now what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna extract the folder. If you got window, You don't need to have any win wrap. If you have a file, you can do it through to them. You just click in it. But I'm gonna do like a simple basic. You use extract or on window. It's gonna ask you what you want. We already moved the program to the folder. We haven't set up with the antivirus, so that way it doesn't get attacked by the antivirus. So then we just go extract. We just wait. Yeah, I can see it. Now we got it. The antivirus is not detecting it. Now I'm gonna show you guys something. What happens if I take this folder out over here? Let's put it right here. Let's see what antivirus does when I open it. Okay, do a money. Alright, look like antivirus already worked. And let's see. Okay, let's see. I think I got my antivirus now to do anything to any of the system, so I don't think so. Yep, it's ready to go. It's ready going. Yep. Yeah, the program was going already. So only they limit the bad files, so there's nothing to do with that. That was funny. Alright, so we're gonna have to extract again the program. Okay, extract. Gotta wait 1 second. Extract it done. Closing. We open over here, and then we go to final stuff. Now, right here, you're gonna have everything, all the pool you gonna need to use in it for mining. That's why I'm changing to this one. It's because we got all the pool already set up over here. You can see it, stereo classing anywhere. So we're gonna go to. I normally mine to high one pool, or you can do it to 9 hash, whatever you wanna do. What we're gonna do is we're gonna use Intermine pool. Alright, so we click on it, we go to a div file like we normally do. Like I said before, if you have the last all day or window, you don't see this one. If you see this, just click on the bottom. If you got this one, you just clicking over here, edit, more info, and you just click run anyway. Now let's see what we got over here. Alright, so we got everything right here. Press 0. Now, really, what you only need is this, Intermine, one pool, and that's it. This extra stuff right here, TTIP 79, stop at 89. Stop at 89, that means your temperature. If your temperature go all the way up to 89, your graphic card is gonna stop mining. So that way it's prevent the damage. The re-entry delay is 1, so it's gonna wait. If that time, full time 55, you can change this to the way you want it. Support 0, it has 0. Mode 1, you can change that to mode 2 depending on what you're using it. Right here you got all the set already, press 0 everything, so you don't need to change anything. The only thing you're gonna have to need to change is your wallet address. What we're gonna do with that is show you before, guys, how to get Circle or how to get Exodo. So we're going to Exodo wallet. Just went to open it. All right, here's come. Now we're gonna scrub. We would did last time Ethereum Classic. This time we're gonna do Ethereum. Ethereum is always one they keep it on the wallet. If you don't send your wallet, you just gotta go all the way right here, all the way to the end. Sorry, clicking add more asset, and then you just write it over here. Ethereum, I already got on mine, so I don't have to worry about. And you just click over here, and you're good to go. That's gonna be like right here. Just click right and add it. It'll be adding on, and that's all you need to do. That's all you need to do. Now, then you go back over here. You're looking for your receiving address. That's where you're gonna receive your coin. Then you're gonna get this right here. You click twice over here. I will click 2 times because sometimes it doesn't get on the first. So I click it twice. And now we minimize this. And then the file we open it, we edit already. We just go right here, this one right there, and we paste this right there, and we changing it. And then we go back over here. You can save it as you want it, and or you can save it, or you can just modify the same file and just click saving. Just making sure you remind which one it is. And now we're going to minimize this. We're not gonna close it yet. I'm not closing it yet. Then we go over here, and we're just gonna do is just double click in it, and we just wait. As you can see, we start mining already. Using a 3070 Ti for this. I'm not doing any optimization on this. I wanna see how it does over here. And guys, as you can see, the 3070 Ti can do all the way to 80, all the way to 70 mega hash, but it's gonna keep dropping it because the nerf thing they got going on with that graphic card, will be dropping all the way down around 40 something. It'll be staying to 42, 41, and that's the masses this graphic card is gonna do for you. Alright guys, thank you for watching. I hope I see you in the next episode, and peace out.